The first stroke is the silent upstroke, which gets us prepared to play, right? And then we do the free stroke, which comes back up into the original position. Now we're in a free stroke in motion, as Don pointed out, because the next stroke after that is a downstroke, or it's also called a controlled stroke. The controlled stroke or the downstroke, remember I told you that you want to let that energy transfer out through your body, all throughout your body. As you can see, it goes throughout my arm. Now, I had a father of a student of mine record this, and we're going to roll the clip here in a sec, but it shows you really what happens in slow motion. This is slowed down, I think, to 240 frames per second at 1080. So let's go ahead and run that clip, and you can see this controlled stroke or downstroke in action. Okay, ready?